Slopes are the same since they are parallel. It says the equation of a line that goes through the point 310 and is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y equals 5 can be written in the form y equals mx plus b. Alright, so it tells us the lines are parallel, so we know the slopes are the same. So first thing we have to do is put this equation in y equals mx plus b form, slope-intercept form. So I'm going to leave the 3y. I'm going to leave the 3y. I'm going to move the 2x over, makes it negative 2x plus 5. I'm going to divide everything by a 3. So y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5/3. Well, all we need is the slope. And since it's parallel, it's going to be negative 2/3. So we're going to use negative 2/3 for our slope, and it gives us the ordered pair 3, 10. So we'll take that and now find our b using y equals mx plus b. Y is going to be the 10. M is negative 2/3. X is 3. I'm going to put it over 1, and then plus b. So this is 10 equals negative times positive is negative. The 3's cancel, so that leaves 1's on the bottom. 2 times 1, that's 2, plus b. So that's 10 plus 2, because we're going to move that minus 2 over. So that's 12 equals b. So now they want us just to write the m. The m was the same as what we had to solve. So that's negative 2/3. Remember, your slope is negative 2/3. It's not the x. The x just tells you where, so don't put x there. They'll count it wrong. And the b is just that constant term of 12.